There you are, you lovely lot. I've got a nutty British English idiom to share with you today. Don't I always? You know I do. I love idioms. You guys need to love idioms too because we use them all the time. In England, they help you sound more like a native speaker. You'll fit right in. All right, let's get to it. Today's is a weird one. I heard a friend say this and I just laughed my face off, because I'd not heard it in a long time, and I use it a lot, or I used to. It's went mental. Went mental. You know, the kind of thing, that's what we mean by mental. The real meaning of going mental or went mental is where you get extremely angry. Now, I don't do that very often, very rarely. So guys, went mental. Really angry or really upset sounds a little nicer. So, don't go mental, but practice this idiom, guys. My parents went mental when I came home late. My parents went mental when I came home late. One more example. I went mental when I looked for the video and I couldn't find it. I went mental when I looked for the video and I couldn't find it. All right, my lovelies, give me some love, some thumbs up, leave a comment, and I'll get back to you. If you'd like me to record a certain idiom, send a message, leave a comment. All right, my lovelies, thanks for your time and attention. Don't go mental. Bye, guys.